Hi everyone, so I'm gonna get ready with me, and it's gonna be a really short get ready with me because my skin right now is very sensitive. Ever since last night I did my skincare, but I don't know if you guys can see this red spot right here. I don't know what happened. I am going out for dinner with Benji and his parents. So while I do my makeup, I'm gonna do a little quick update for you guys. So ever since my last video, I believe it was a vlog, I've been trying to upload videos ever since then, but the thing is I got sick, and literally I just got over my cold. Still kind of have it. Basically from the end of December to January I was sick. I got better, and then for like 1 or 2 weeks I was fine, and then towards the end of January I got sick again. But that sickness was really bad because my asthma actually started acting up, so I couldn't film any videos without coughing, and also I was congested. I got better before my graduation because my graduation was February 1st, and literally before that day, that's the day I got better. I got sick again February 18th, and I just got over my cold, kind of. I held off on videos, which is really sad because I like making videos. So right now I'm at my boyfriend's house. Benji's visiting for like 2 weeks. We're actually leaving to Texas in like 2 days, and we're there for like a week. And I actually have a lot of videos planned, so I'm really excited. Babe, your fat ass. No. A fast food video, because there's not a lot of fast food chains in Texas that we don't have. I definitely am gonna vlog the trip too. So I'm gonna do a vlog, but then also like separate videos. So like trying stuff from Buc-ee's. What I just did was House Lab concealer, and this is in the shade 21 Light Medium Neutral, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless 128 Warm Nude. So that's part of the life update that I have, which is why I haven't filmed any videos. So but now I'm better. I'm gonna start filming videos again, and I'm gonna try to stay better. I actually started working out again, which is good. I want to do a video of me like working out and stuff, a 30-day thing, because I do want to lose weight before my birthday. I actually just lost some weight and I'm really happy about it. I'm trying to put it off. Next, we're going to do my brows, and we're using the Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit. I'm going to start applying 2 jobs once I get back. But if I don't get a job, I'm not too worried about it because I do have a part-time job. I also get an internship within my school within the 2nd year. Now I'm just going to fill my eyebrows lightly. I'm not really too stressed about finding a job. And then along with me trying to do content creation already, and then like I'm gonna start streaming again, which with streaming I do make like a little bit of money here and there. It's not like too much, but it's like something, you know. I think everything happens for a reason. I'm going with the House Lab blush, and this is the Watermelon Bliss. Now I'm going in with the House Lab highlighter, and this is in the color Moonstone. I've been using this Lancome mascara. This is what it looks like. I really like how it looks on my lashes. And this, honestly, I actually love it on my bottom lashes. I have like straight Asian lashes, and my bottom lashes are sometimes not even visible. It makes it visible. So I have a lot of lip products. A lip liner in the color Honey, and this is from Kimchi Chic. Flower Nose Chocolate Series Cloud Lip Cream, and this is in the color Almond Souffle 02. I absolutely love their lip products. I do want to try out their like eyeshadows and stuff. It's so creamy on the lips, and I absolutely love it. I actually do have a code that you guys can use. It's down below in the description box. But my all-time favorite one, if you're a brown girly, which I am, I love it. I think it suits me so well. But this is my all-time favorite brown shade from them, and this is the Chocolate series, and it's just such a nice brown color. It is the Lava Chocolate 09. But today I decided to go a little bit more lighter because of the shirt I'm wearing. I like to put like a gloss over it. Elf Oil in the color Honey Talks. I'm going to be using the matcha perfume from Amazon, which is on my Amazon storefront. It doesn't really smell like matcha, but it's like a subtle hint of tea, which if you like tea scents, I do recommend this. I'm on a hunt for like a matcha scented perfume though, but I haven't been able to find one. So if you guys do know any like matcha scented perfumes, let me know. And then for jewelry, I'm wearing this red bracelet that Benji got me because it is Year of the Dragon. When it's your year, you're bound to have more misfortune happen to you. So what you do apparently is that you wear red to basically protect you from like the misfortune or like more misfortune happening and stuff. But the red has to be gifted to you. So it could be red anything. Red jewelry, red clothing, anything that's red that you can wear every day. And it has a little jade on it. So if it's your year, wear red to protect yourself from the misfortune. And then I'm gonna be wearing these. These glasses is from I Buy Direct. So yeah, this is my finished look for today. Really simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me, and follow me on my social media. It's down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified whenever I upload. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye besties.